Hello everybody, this is Costa della Great Missenden. Today I will be cooking against cancer. There'll be a hashtag in the bottom of the screen. Click on that and check everybody else's video out. Yeah, it's for a good cause. I'm cooking this for my granddad. He had cancer. He died of pancreatic cancer when I was about 11. He brought me up with my nan. It means a lot to me. Without those two, I'd be nothing. So yeah, check out my video, check out everybody else's video, and please do anything you can to support this cause. Thanks a lot. Check out the video. So I'm going to brush this steak with oil, like that. It should be all very nice. Now I'm going to give it a quick whiz over with some smoked sea salt from Cyprus. I'll give that a quick once over. I'm going to do a bit of rub, just make sure it's all in. Turn it over, do the same to the next side. Get it all nice and tasty. So we're going to add some oil, on the top and around the sides. It's just, as I said, it's just so it doesn't stick to the grill when it's cooking. Then we're going to add some sea salt. You can actually really smell the smoke on this salt. It smells good. Right, next thing I want to do is bosh them on the grill. So I'm just going to brush these courgettes with some oil as well. They're going on the grill. All done nice and quick. I'm not going to mess around. Flip them over. A load more oil on. And then again I'm going to season these with smoked salt. Just to bring a bit of flavour up. And the quick ones over. And that's it. Next stop, barbecue. Only going to need a couple of minutes, if that. Plonk these courgettes on around. So we can get them cooking as well. Get some nice griddle marks on there. Once they're on, shut the lid up and let it do its thing. Okay, so I'm going to flip these steaks. Got my tongs. Let's get them flipped over so we get them nice and medium rare. You can see they didn't stick. Got some lovely griddle marks. Just tuck them in. There we go. These courgettes a bit of a turn as well. Yeah, they're picking up the griddle marks nicely. So I've cooked these steaks in honour of my grandfather. He was in the Korean War. He served on motor torpedo boats, which is for short an MTB. He died of pancreatic cancer. He always liked having smoked haddock, but I wasn't sure how to do that on a barbecue, if I'm totally honest. But he liked steak as well. Even though he had no teeth, he used to suck it and say how tasty it was when my nan used to cook it for him. So this one's for you, Grandad, and I'll show you when it's all dished up. Okay, so I'm going to cut this steak up now. Let's take off the veggies. Move them to one side. Hopefully the griddle marks are coming through pretty good. To start off, I'm just going to cut that in half because it's for me and my family to eat. Beautifully cooked. A nice medium rare, all well rested. We'll do the same with this one. Yep. A nice medium rare on that as well. And I'll put that to one side and plate up the meal. Right, so here's the finished dish for cooking against cancer. Got a nice rump steak, medium rare, lovely griddle marks, baked potato, bit of red pickled onion, and mixed salad to go with that. So it's all going to be really, really tasty. This video is done in memory of my granddad, who died of pancreatic cancer a long time ago, but his memory lives on. This is Ryan for Costa della Great Missenden. See you again. Bye.